Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through a quick and simple guide on how to find your draft posts on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the PC version of the app after the latest update. If you've saved a few tweets or posts as drafts and can't seem to locate them anymore, don't worry. You're about to find out exactly where they're hiding. First, open the Twitter app on your computer. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand menu or your home timeline. You'll easily spot the familiar compose box where you usually start writing new posts. You can also click on the post button if you prefer that option. It takes you to the same place. When you open the compose window, you'll notice a few icons and options. Now, here's the key step. Click on Drafts. Depending on your layout, it might be displayed right inside the compose box or appear as a small pop-up option near the bottom. This is where all your saved or unsent posts are stored. Once you click on Drafts, you'll see a section titled Unsent Posts. This is where every draft you've ever saved on your account will appear. It includes tweets you started to write, threads you began but didn't finish, or even replies you saved for later. Simply click on any draft to continue editing it, make changes, or post it whenever you're ready. If you want to delete a draft, just hover over it, click the three dots, and select Delete. And if you want to turn one into a post immediately, open it and hit Post. That's it. Your draft is now live for everyone to see. It's that easy. The new layout might feel unfamiliar at first, but once you know where to look, finding your drafts on X for PC is effortless. Give it a try. Organize your unsent posts and keep your content ready for whenever inspiration strikes. Thanks for watching.